Want to give a shout out to AZ Dome. They giving me a product review for y'all today. Y'all want to see what it is? Alrighty, so let's get into this box. Today we have a dash camera. So you gotta get the glare off of it. Alright, before we open it up, I wanted to show you this right here is a 5G. And it's also 3-inch touchscreen. So there's Wi-Fi, 5G. It's also got the built-in GPS, and it comes with a card, memory card. I think it does anyway. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, open it up. And I'm gonna leave a link to this down below. That's what it's gonna look like. And open this up, and here is gonna be, that's gonna be your attachment. There is your, I think that one might be, that's gonna be for your back. This is a front and back, front and rear. There's more wires, some more stickies for the dash or windshield. Also comes with a pry tool and some more wires. And that's for, you can plug it up in your cigarette lighter. Plug and play. Also, I was digging in there for instructions, and I seen, got the manual, because I'm fixing to get it out, but it looked like it comes with screen protectors for it. Now that's pretty nice. I've had several of them, and I've never seen screen protectors come with them, so I like that a lot. That way, when you're touching your screen and everything, you don't get it all scratched up. Kind of like your phone. Also, it didn't come with the chip. Actually, it does. It comes with it in it. It's embedded micro memory card. Now, this right here is the rear dash cam, and all you gotta do is stick it to the window, and then you're gonna run your wires and hide it. I'm not gonna hide the wires, but I am going to hook it up and show you how it works. And all you gotta do is unpeel here and stick. Now the wire is very, very long. They give you plenty of wire. And to make it easier, you just take and undo it. But now if you look right here, you see the arrows. And if you turn it right here, you'll see a slot. This line of arrows back up with a slot and put it back in. That way. Alrighty, there it is. I just put it up, and also it's turned. You can turn it and adjust it. We'll be able to adjust it and hide the wires and everything later on, but let's just see what it looks like. All right, and then you're gonna take this other, they give you another long cord, which is good. That way you can run all the wires and everything for the front. So what we're gonna do is just put it in and plug it up in your cigarette lighter. All right, if you want to use a USB, you can. They send you another one that plugs up straight in here in USB. If you got some more close that you can plug it up. This one's not as long. Right now, I just got this one in a cigarette lighter. All right, all you gotta do, see how it goes together? Slide. Put it in there and just slide it in until it clicks. Unpeel and stick it where you want it. Then you're gonna run on your backup, put it right there where the AV is. Just plug it up. And your power cord, which whenever you decide to use, snap it in. I'm still playing with it. It's going to take a little while to get used to it, but I wanted to show you on the view, front view, if I can get stuff out of the cord out of the way. There we go. Oh, it's got a time on it. Tap the menu or tap the screen right there and a menu comes up. You got recording, you got Wi-Fi, pictures, and then you go through in here and you got different modes. You got loop recording. You can change your data. hook up your Wi-Fi. It's also got the G sensor, time zone, dates, GPS, touchscreens, volume, sounds, language, speed, and format. Also, you got an app that you can download and then get all the videos and everything from your phone. All right, go to your app store, download this app right there, and you're gonna open it up. But also, I wanted to show you, got the back right now in there. It's got the time, date, and everything, and then the front, so you got both of them going. All right, I'm hooking up. What you gotta do, you gotta go into settings, and you gotta go to Wi-Fi, and you're gonna you gotta turn your data off, hit your Wi-Fi, so that way you get it connected, and then your thing will pop up on your Wi-Fi. We just entered it. Now we're going to hit join, so that way you be connected to this. Finally got the app. Took a little bit to get the app going, but we finally got it connected. I got it in rear mode right now on your screen. You got audio recording, you got display mode, you got stop on recording, which right now it is recording, so I'm gonna hit stop recording, and then your dash cam, that's where you can go get into your let's see, I'm gonna hit don't allow that. And that's where it's gonna load everything up. It's already recorded, and boom, it pops up. There's the videos right there. So, and if you want to get out of it, you want to do whatever, so then it goes back to this. So we'll go to switch modes, and when you hit that, you go to, if you want front, hit the front shows up. It's got a nice picture to it. Turn your phone sideways, get the bigger view. All right, y'all, I just want to, right now I just got it throwed up, you know, wires and everything, because I'm going to move it up, probably up here, reroute the wires and all that stuff. But I want to take it down the road, and I'm going to take a little video of me hitting a few bumps right here and see how the video is going to turn out. So I'm going to take a clip of this that we're hitting record right now, and yeah, I can tell I am hitting some bumps, so we're gonna see how steady it is and how good the quality it comes out. And then when we get back, I'm gonna upload it in this video. Alrighty, so we went around the block. I'm gonna get some of the video out, done front and the back, and I just went to normal, and then all your videos, everything come up, and you just hit the select button to select what you want. I selected 15 of them I'm gonna go through. And then right now, and that's about, I'm going to show you about how fast it takes. It's sitting there downloading like that.
Recording started.
Probably up here, reroute the wires and all that stuff. But I want to take it down the road, and I'm going to take a little video of me hitting a few bumps right here and see how the video is going to turn out. So I'm going to take a clip of this that we're hitting record right now, and yeah, I can tell I am hitting some bumps. So we're going to see how steady it is and how good the quality it comes out. And then when we get back, I'm going to upload it in this video. All right, y'all, that's going to end this video up. If you're new and you have not subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button. If you don't mind, helps the channel, helps us grow. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to go check it out, I'll have a link down in the description, maybe a discount code. Y'all be careful, y'all be safe. See you on the next one.